Example number 3, real life application. The table shows the percent y in decimal form of the moon that was visible at midnight X days after May 19, 2014. A. Interpret the domain and range. So, what is domain? 0 days after May 19, 2014. The domain represent May 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. So these are the domain values or X values, and they are representing the dates. What percent of moon was visible on May 21, 14? May 21, 14, when the X value was 2. So when X value is 2, then you're going to find out what is the Y values, and then the Y value is equal to 0.54. So it means that 54% of the moon, 54% of the moon was visible on May 21st. Now I'm going to discuss what is range represent. So what range is? So y is range, and that represent the amount of visibility of the moon that decreases each day. The next is U-try problem. The table shows the percent y in decimal form of the moon that was visible at midnight X days after March 24, 2015. Interpret the domain and range. The domain 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 represents March 24, or the date March 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. The Y represent amount of visibility of the moon, that is 0.19, 0.29, 0.39, 0.49, and 0.59, and that is increasing by 0.10. What percent of the moon was visible on March 28th? So we're going to start from 24. So March 24 means x0, then 25 means x is 1, 26, 27, and 28. So it means that x is 4 when is March 28th. So on March 28th, which is when x is 4, the y value or the visibility of moon is 0.59. So the 59% of the moon is visible on May 28th. Next is problem number 3. The number of earrings and headbands you can buy with $24 is represented by the equation 8x plus 4y equals 24. The table shows the number of earrings and headbands. So first thing we're going to do is write the equation in function form, means having the y isolated. So you're going to subtract 8x on both sides. You get 4y equals negative 8x plus 24. Divide with 4 with each term, then you can get y equals negative 2x plus 6. All the x values are called your domain. All the y values are your range. Why is x equals 6 not in the domain of the function? Y or output headbands cannot be less than 0, which means if you use x equals 6 in this function, if you put x equals 6, that's going to be negative 2 times 6, that's negative 12. Negative 12 plus 6 is negative 6. So it cannot be, you cannot sell negative 6 hairbands. So that's why it's not part of your domain. Again, you cannot sell negative number or negative headbands. So that's why, because x equals 6 is giving you negative value, that's why it's not part of your domain value.